Good day, it is Stephen Davids here, and in this video I want to show you how to reprogram the buttons of a replacement remote for Hisense TV. The old remote didn't work, especially this direction arrows. I replaced it with a new one. I followed these steps, and still some of these keys didn't correspond with the original keys. So I will now follow the steps and show you how to do it, how to learn a new function for the key based on the previous remote. You set the remotes 2 to 5 centimeters apart. If you're not good with distances, take a ruler, and in this case I put it 4 centimeters apart, move it 4 centimeters apart. You can see there, 4 centimeters apart. You first activate the one for all. At the very start, I must say that the inscriptions here, as it is in the accompanying book, is not very accurate, and in fact it is misleading and you struggle. This is my personal experience. Maybe you do the same. You first press the green and the yellow button, and the blink is Baba. That's one blink. Wait, and then you will get a second blink, Baba. Okay, so this you do 2, and if you don't get it, what I do is I take it, remove the remote, I put it at quite a distance, I put the on and off switch, keep it there for a few seconds just to deactivate any code that you put, and then start afresh. Press the green and the yellow button, 2, 1, 1, 2. Then, having done that, then you put in the code 975. You just get one blink, Baba. Then you put in the thing that you want to activate. This is the back key. Open it with the back key here, and then the other one, the back key there. Type in the code 975, blinks. Open it up with the and as soon as possible it blinks twice, and lock everything in with for 30 seconds. Do not throw away the original remote. In my case, the original was still in a good condition. It was only this arrow that didn't work, the arrow button, and as a result it was extremely frustrating when I tried to watch YouTube, etc. So it was practically unfunctional, but all the other buttons were working, and there's a very good reason for that. When you reprogram the new one for all, I forgot, for example, to program in the fast forward and stop keys, and so I had to use this again to reprogram the one for all. So keep this at a safe place, but just remove the batteries because it may leak. So remove the batteries and then keep in a safe place for a while, or how long ever. Thank you very much for watching this video. We love constructive comments and criticism. Please like and share this video.